Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun adventure at the playground. Today, we're going to explore all the cool things we can play on. Are you ready? Let's go.
Kitty learn.
First, let's hop on the seesaw. Up and down we go. Can you see how it moves?
Whoa! Whoa! Next, let's slide down the big slide. Whee! Sliding is so much fun!
Now let's swing on the swing. Back and forth higher and higher. Feel the breeze. Look at the colorful rainbow bar. Let's climb across it. Can you reach the other side? Over there is the merry-go-round. Hold on tight and spin around and around. It's like a mini carnival ride. Let's dig in the sandbox. We can build sandcastles and have so much fun with the sand. Jump into the ball pit. It's like a pool of colorful balls. Can you find the blue ones? Whoa, look at the tire dome. Let's climb up and over the tires. It's like an obstacle course. Next, let's bounce on the spring horse. Giddy up! It's like riding a little pony. Finally, let's climb the dome climber. All the way to the top. You can see the whole playground from up here.
Well, kids, we had so much fun exploring the playground today. Remember, playing outside is a great way to have fun and stay active. Until next time, bye-bye.
Kitty learn.